Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel T Star Bakings. Today's video is on how I make my go-to chocolate buttercream. It's so amazing how one ingredient can make a whole twist. So follow me through as I show you the special ingredients I use in my chocolate buttercream. First and foremost, we need a softened room temperature butter. It should be whipped until it's pale and fluffy. It took me about 10 minutes to get this result. So do whip your butter well. After this, the powdered sugar or icing sugar should come in. I add mine in batch of 3 so as to not get it all over the place. But you can just do you and put it all in at once. Then proceed to add your cocoa powder, and in comes my special ingredient, the chocolate essence. Just this makes a lot of changes in my chocolate buttercream, so don't use vanilla essence, use chocolate essence. Then add the milk in there to give it a silky texture and mix that all in. Just mix until all those ingredients are completely mixed in. Also scrape the sides to get every bit in there. And voila, you have successfully learned my go-to chocolate buttercream. It tastes as if there's chocolate in there. Give this a try and comment down below. Also check the description box for more details. Do subscribe to my channel if you have not, and give this video a thumbs up. Also check out how I use this buttercream. I would be leaving a link down below in my description box on how I use this, so do check it out. See you next time. Goodbye.